Team Bodie, you lost last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you get to go in the mailbox of losers. Go in the mailbox of losers. With the most votes, we'll leave the show. Budgie is safe.
00751.
I'm Bailey. I'm Sound Pirate. Piratey. And Moki. Pirates eliminated. No! Why would you float it? Because I do. Let's beat him up. Let's follow him. Well, that was totally. Today's episode is very special. And why is that? It's the 10th episode. You have to get your monster. Quick. Ready, set, go. Go. Oh!
Oh, okay. You must be working.
No. Up. Epi wins. Yeah. You're out. You're up for elimination. Team Budgie. No. Oh, this is the baby. Vote in the comments later in square brackets on who deserves to be eliminated. We'll get the most votes. We'll leave the show. Don't forget to use brackets. We're back. Hey, you're supposed to be in the middle box of losers. Losers. What? No! Ah! That's bad.
И это будет вопрос. Как расшифроваться названием телекомпании ЗМД? Прежде чем мой представитель будет отвечать, я хочу, чтобы каждый из участников получил по 1000 рублей. Теперь вам есть на что играть. Кто будет отвечать?
Я хоть и не помню, телевидение я тоже хорошо знаю. Это РТР.
Окончательный вариант? Менять не будете?
Окончательно.
Well, we're both eliminated.
Принято.
Yeah.
Совершенно верно.